The 2018 Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance Best of Show winner is the 1937 Alfa Romeo 8C 2900B Touring Berlinetta. David and Ginny Sydorick, Beverly Hills, California. Congratulations! To present the Best of Show trophy and ribbon are David Stivers, President of the Pebble Beach Company, and Sandra Button, Chairman of the Pebble Beach Concours.
Thank you.
So David, congratulations, you just won the 2018 Pebble Beach Best of Show.
Yeah.
What is it? How does it feel?
It's the World Cup. It's beyond Best of Show. It's fantastic. We worked long and hard for this. The crew I had was fantastic, and they've done an unbelievable job. The credit goes to them. And it's been fantastic.
So tell me about the car.
The car is a piece of automotive architecture mounted on a Grand Prix chassis that has technology that was the top of the line on the pre-war cars. And it's a wonderful combination.
What is it like to drive?
It's very nice. We had it on the tour, performed perfectly, wonderful to drive, easy to be in, very powerful, very nimble. It's a large two-passenger sports car.
And what kind of condition was it like when you got it, and who did the restoration?
The restoration was done in Canada by RX. They did a fabulous job. They have now cared for or restored 3 of these cars, and there's only 5. So they know exactly what they're doing. They did a fabulous job. It's the reason we're here. Wouldn't have had anybody else do it, of course.
Is this your first time on the ramp?
It is, no.
I mean, for Best of Show?
Of course, yes. I collect post-war cars, and they don't get up here very often, right? So this was my shot today, and it worked.
Well, congratulations. It looks absolutely fantastic.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.